All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're taking a look at Unit 4, Lesson 2, Numerical Expressions. Our target for today is I can write and evaluate numerical expressions involving whole number exponents. Now, if we take a look, a numerical expression like 3 times 2 plus 4 times 4 is a combination of numbers and operations. The order of operations tells you which operation to perform first so that everyone finds the same value for an expression. A numerical expression has only one value, meaning it's only worth one thing, one amount. When finding the value of an expression that has more than one operation, mathematicians follow a consistent order of operations. This order of operations may be remembered by using the acronym PEMDAS. Which stands for parentheses. Exponents, which we learned about in Unit 1. Lesson 1, sorry. Multiplication and division. Meaning that if we have a multiplication and a division problem, we go from left to right. So whatever's furthest to the left goes first. Then addition and subtraction. For example, I can use order of operations to find the value of a numerical expression. So if we take a look, we don't have any parentheses or exponents or any multiplication or division, so we start with addition and subtraction. So we move from left to right, so we're starting with 10 minus 2 is 8, plus 8 equals 16. Okay. Here, in our second one, we take a look, no parentheses, no exponents, but there is multiplication. So we do that first. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 plus 15 is 19. Now, if we were to do that a different way and not use our order of operations, we'd have 4 plus 3 is 7 times 5 is 35. That's much different than what we have. Okay? So I want you to pause right now and try A and B. Okay? Now, hopefully you've gone through and paused A and B, and within there you get 40 for A. 2 times 15 is 30, plus 10 is 40. For B, we start from left to right, so it's 16 divided by 2 is 8, times 4 is 32. So within there, if we find the value for each of the expressions, if we have 204 plus 17 times 9 minus 6, we go back to our order of operation, which is PEMDAS, which is not a bad thing for you to write down as you're going through and do this so you can double check. It does have parentheses, so I rewrite 204 plus 17 times 9 minus 6, which is 3. Next is my multiplication, so I have 204 plus 17 times 3, which is 51. We combine them together and we get 255. Okay, that's our order of operations. With B, we have exponents first. So we know that this, if we rewrite it, is 3 times 6 times 6 plus 4. So we have 3 times 36 plus 4. 3 times 36 is 108. Plus 4 is 112. Notice how I go down and continue to do each step. Here I did parentheses, then I did multiplication, then I did addition in order to get my answer. I'm going to move this one over here so I have a little bit more room. I have 5 plus, in parentheses, 8 squared minus 2 times 2. Within there, I start with my parentheses first. 8 squared is 64 minus 2 times 2. 5 plus 62 times 2. So 5 plus 124 equals 129. So I start with my exponents, my parentheses here. Inside my parentheses I have my exponents, then I have my multiplication, then I have my addition, and there's my answer. Go ahead, pause it. Pause the video right now and go through the U-Try problems. A, B, D, E, and F, down at the bottom. Okay? All right. If we look at the U-Try problems, we have 25 times, in parentheses, 5 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 12. Go through our order of operations. Rewrite 25 times 5 minus 2 is 3, divided by 5 minus 12. I have a multiplication and a division sign. I start on the left and I go to the right. 25 times 3 is 75, divided by 5 minus 12. 75 divided by 5 is 15. 15 minus 12 is 3. If I rewrite B, it's 24 divided by 2 times 2 times 2 plus 4 in parentheses. So I'll do my multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So 24 divided by 8 plus 4, and I have 24 divided by 12 is 2. Okay. Now within this one, we have to take a look and add within there. Consider a family of 4 that goes to a soccer game. Tickets are $5 each. The mom also buys a soft drink for $2. So we have 4 tickets at $5 a piece, and the mom buys a $2 soft drink. Okay, within there, how much will the outing cost? Start with our order of operations. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is $22. Not a bad outing for a soccer game. Okay, so if the same family goes to the game as 4, but each of the family members wants a drink, how would you write this expression? So we're going to start with the same thing. Tickets are still $5 a piece, so it's 4 times $5. Since there's 4 members of the family, we're going to have to add another 4 times 2. Everybody gets a soda. Okay, so then we do our explanation is 4 times 5 is $20, plus 4 times 2, which is $8, and their total outing costs $28. Okay. Allie and her 3 friends go to the mall. They decide to stop at the pretzel shop for a snack. Each girl buys a pretzel, cheese sauce, and a Coke. How much did the girls spend all together? So it's Allie and her 3 friends, so it's 4 friends total. So each of them get a soft drink, each of them gets a pretzel, and each of them gets a cheese sauce. So we do our order of operations. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 4 times 4 is 16, plus 4 times 1 is 4. 8 plus 16 is 24, plus 4 is $28 total. Remember to fill in all of your notes, double check your work, and have yourself ready to go. All right. Make sure that you fill in your WSQ online, and we are good to go. Have a good day.